Hi there. My name is Jonathan, and I'm here with the customer success team at Goosechase. And today I'm going to walk you through how to create a new experience with Goosechase. Before we begin, I have a couple housekeeping items to start with. The first is you might be wondering, Jonathan, what is an experience? And to that I would say, great question. An experience you can think of is a collection of missions that you want to give to participants. For example, camera missions, text missions, GPS missions, and you would compile them in an experience and then share it with the participants who can then complete it through our mobile app. The second one is that this needs to be done through the Goosechase Studio on the website. It's not currently possible to create a new experience on the mobile app, so you'll want to make sure you're logged into a computer or a mobile browser when doing this. So, if you're already logged in, great. If not, head to our website, click login or get started, and then you'll be ready to go. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to land in the Goosechase Studio, on the Experiences page specifically. The important thing to note here is that if you're part of an organization that pays for Goosechase and has a subscription, you're going to want to make sure that you're under your organization's workspace before you start creating your experience. The way you can do that is by clicking this little drop down in the top and selecting your organization's workspace. It's very important you do this before creating an experience in order to access those upgrades that your organization has paid for. If it's made under your personal account, those upgrades won't apply. If you're only on a personal account and not part of an organization, or you have a subscription on your personal account, don't worry about this then. You'll be all set under the personal workspace, but just a heads up in case you're part of an organization. And now once all that's dealt with, the next thing to do is just click the blue Create Experience button. And it's easy as that. Now you have a new experience template to work with. You can start adding your missions, your descriptions, and your details about your experience. Again, I'll link an FAQ on more steps about those processes, how to include missions, how to review submissions, set up your participants, all that. But once you've done these steps, you'll be ready to go with the fresh template in a new experience.